Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create contour lines in SketchUp. If you don't have your 3D terrain mesh yet, you can download it from TopoExport.com. The link is in the description. Let's go back to SketchUp. First, we need to create a 2D projection of the 3D terrain. You can start by drawing a rectangle. Click once at the origin of the model. Then move your mouse to the opposite corner of the 3D model. Now press the up arrow key on your keyboard to lock the direction to the vertical axis. Then click a second time to place the model. Next, we will scale up the plane to make sure it fully covers the terrain. To do this, use the scale tool and extend the plane beyond the terrain boundaries. Now select the Move tool, select the plane, press Alt, and after press the up arrow key to lock the movement vertically. Type 5 and press Enter to move the plane up by 5 meters. Of course, you can choose another value if you want. Then we type X50 to repeat the movement 50 times, so it will create 50 copies of the same plane, each 5 meters apart. Make sure the 3D terrain is all covered by these planes. Now select all the planes, right-click and choose Intersect Faces with Model. Depending on the size and the complexity of your model, it will take a few minutes. Once it's done, you can delete the extra geometry. You can hide the 3D terrain and you will see the contour lines. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials.